Yeah, so anyway, we will not be able to complete Zoom as Vinal proposed because there are a lot of features, in Zoom. Like if you go to settings of Zoom in Zoom.us, there's endless. Like you'll be lost like anything. There's endless features and functionalities they have. Within the live session itself, there are a lot many we have just seen. So let's go back to our presentation once again, if anything is left there. So we were actually understanding the pinning of speaker and all.
I wanted to send a chat to Anshu right now, but I can only see the option of everyone and Sai Solution host.
Yes,
How
yes. So
come?
that is opted here by the host, like whether you want to allow the participants to chat with each other one to one or not. That option is there with the host. So I have deselected that. It's a control, the control should be with me.
Suppress the others.
Yes.
I
That's
only
the way.
wanted to share Anshu had changed her foreground in the form of clothes instead of the virtual background. So
Form of?
I haven't changed
Think-
anything. It's
weren't you wearing something else before?
okay, yes. Yes, I did
Acha.
change my clothes.
Oh, that's too far.
Yeah. No, I've changed my clothes. I have not changed the foreground or background.
Foreground matlab clothes.
But
Yeah.
I have not deselected that. Binal, can you check it again? The chat one. I have not deselected that.
Only two options. I can see to everyone
Participants.
and then to Sai Solution host. And
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's right.
What do you see now? No, everyone.
says
Also.
direct message, but again, not only to you
Everyone.
now, perhaps. Not
No.
for everyone now. Now I see a red.
Everyone
color.
and
Now it's everyone. But I think it's by default, for the premium members, they have that option perhaps, that one-to-one participants can. But here, what the options that I see are no one, like I can restrict participants to chat, and host and co-host, and everyone. So everyone means it goes to everyone, like
it is broadcast.
yeah, it's broadcasted. So that way, that option even I don't have. I was thinking that I was considering that I have blocked it somewhere, but it is not. Even with the free members, this option is not there at all. Anyway, so now, so we'll come to the 11th slide. Yes. Now pinning the video. Pinning the video is very much useful when you are recording a particular video with the presentation, or suppose you have a conversation, two people are conversing and you want to highlight two people only in the recording. And even on the devices, compatible devices, like on the laptop, it can be pinned. Like a host can pin two participants together for conversation for other laptop users, but for phone and all, they have the liberty to go and deselect that. And even on the laptop, you can change the option of view. Do you see the view option at the corner, Pinal? in this? At the-
Yes. So
right.
what I'm understanding for pinning is one is that for the recording, and
Yes.
the other is when it's the live session going on, then
Yes.
for other participants, how it would look like.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
So suppose you want to let me make you a host, and then you just yeah. So I have made you a host for this session. Now you
Yes.
have the options to pin. Right now, can you pin Nandini for example? Just go to Nandini's icon, click the participants. Then you will find Nandini's or on the Nandini's video. Just go to Nandini's video.
Done.
You're pinned.
Yes.
It's not effective with this option of screen share. It's not
Okay.
affecting. So let me stop the screen sharing. Suppose yes. Now do it.
She's already pinned. So
She is
now,
already pinned. Oh, it is pinned at your end. How can it be? How is it now at your end?
I can see whole of Nandini in as a screen,
Yes.
and rest of us as gallery.
And do you see the remove pin option at the top, left top?
Yes, yes,
Remove
yes.
it. Remove it.
Now you are where Nandini was, and rest of us.
Oh, this is actually individualized. The pinning is individualized. That means because I have pinned Nandini. Earlier it used to be there that it can be controlled for the audience also by the host, but they have changed.
Oh, but
this.
as far as I know, it is always individual. Yeah. From the time I have been.
But I have attended conversational sessions, like two people are conversing and rest of are attending. So though those could be Binal, can you make me host again back?
How do I do that?
पिज्जा खा रहे हो क्या? Yeah. So just go to my video, then you will find make host option.
I'm in your video, and now
Make host.
okay,
at
okay,
the
okay.
top. Yeah.
Make host. Okay. Yes.
Yes. So there is another option of highlighting. Let me check that. Spotlight. Spotlight for everyone. Yes. Now it is spotlighted. So this is a. Do you see Binal, you and Nandini next to next on the screen?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a spotlighted. There's an option of spotlighting other than the pin. Pin is individualized. Anshu, you are right. The pin is individualized. Maybe that time also. When you spotlight, then it goes for everyone.
What is spotlighting? I'm not aware of it.
Spotlighting is another option that comes as a host for any video. You can spotlight it for everyone. So right now, Nandini and Binal are spotlighted. Do you see that? Are you on your iPad? What do you see on your screen? You need to unmute, Anshu.
I see yours video.
Okay, then this handheld devices are not controlled. Like the touch screen devices are not controlled. Yeah.
Okay.
It happens on the laptops or computers. Yeah. Anyway, so remove spotlight. Remove spotlight. Going back to the Sharing of the screen. Yeah, pinning. So you see now on the screen, the pin and the spotlight option is also there below pin. Spotlight for everyone. So pinning can be used for individualized recording. The interface that you opt while recording, that can be handled through pinning. And spotlight, it is for both, for the recording and for everyone also. Right. The next is when you spotlight or pin, then this option also comes that remove the pin or remove the spotlight. So accordingly, you can keep changing the video according to your presentation and the like whatever the way you are facilitating. So till now, this particular presentation was created. So we can keep on adding some or other features, but I found that these features are important for to start the facilitation. There are endless tools available. Yeah,
Just one
sharing
doubt
the
in that screen sharing, that option where the Dropbox and the Google Drive is there. Why is that there? I mean, one can directly go in that any folder for that matter and open and do the
Yeah,
screen share.
so that is for the computer folders. But just in case you are using a computer which is a public computer or anybody else's computer, so you don't have any content there in that particular computer, then you can access your own Google Drive, going in there and fetching the content. Nandini, lost and found.
I'll be found so easily.
Yes. So arrange a computer and then we can converse. Even last week also I messaged you, I think, that we can connect
Yes.
one-to-one. And so whenever you are comfortable and finding that that you want to understand this, so you can connect. And because this June month is dedicated for the education technology, let's explore whatever the tools possible. There are n number of tools available in the market, but we have picked up few which are looking like more convenient. It's not that the other tools are not convenient, because it is not explored. I personally don't know. Then I'll share my story also, how the educational technology started happening, so that you guys also can correlate with it and see the things that you need not to be any expert to use education technology. It's just that mental barrier that we create that restricts
is
us.
there.
Otherwise, you need not do. I don't have any educational technology background as far as my professional academics concerned. So, but I find very comfortable with education technology. So, with that comfort zone, I got my corporate job also, because I was very much comfortable with the education technology, despite not having any qualification as such. Yeah. So great. So we'll catch up next week and continue. And in between, whoever wants to speak, converse on any topic under the sky. So let's. So BYOD.
I
Bring your
do.
own topic.
I do. I'll fix up some time on Monday or Tuesday. That is my easy
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Yes. Because I want to understand how to put a background also in Zoom.
Yeah. For that,
You
you
know
need a laptop. From phone, you cannot change the background.
Yes, fine. I'll get hold of the old laptop and do
Yes.
it. Because otherwise the image is very dull looking. Even
The
when one
background
switches
image.
off,
Background image, you're saying?
background image and that frozen image that one has now on the screen when we switch off the video.
Oh, okay.
That one.
Okay, that can be changed using the mobile.
Change, I don't have any icon at the moment. So
Okay, okay.
In the
I thought-
background, what is this? I have a green screen. What does that mean?
Yes. So, for example, you see a very clear virtual background behind me, right? A blackboard, and that
Yes.
clean background is happening because I have a green screen behind me. Let me show it.
And you appear to be a cutout on it.
Yes, 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 yes. So this is my actual background. Now this is actually either green or blue. If you have a background that can be replaced with any virtual background uh, very effectively. Very effectively. If you are not having any green background, then see again, I'm going back to that virtual background. See,
Yeah.
it looks like as if I'm just in front of that particular wall. That virtual background conversion is very much effective if you have a green screen behind.
You mean actually a green colored
Actually. So
background?
this
So
one.
we have
this-
to have that.
Yes. You, I
I
have.
thought
So right now, what you see, this is a wall.
this is a wall.
This is a wall, and it is green colored.
Right.
I'm using this wall as a background, actual
I see a
background.
blue colored wall.
But it is actually green. I don't know. It's changed to blue. So blue
It's
and
appearing
green.
turquoise like. Yeah,
So,
the green blue.
but I have a green curtain also with threads in every corner, 4 corners. So that can be hung here. So that will give you a green background. Suppose this wall was not there. Whenever I am in my apartment, that time I don't have any green background, green wall. So I use that curtain. I hang that curtain. That becomes a background, actual background, which can be replaced by the technology to any virtual background.
So only if you have a green background can you change it to.
No, otherwise also you can change. Otherwise also you can change. But the problem that is that will be very scattered. Like the cleaner background that you see, that will not happen if this green wall is not there.
And what we see generally as your background, which is that blackboard thing, is
Yeah,
because
is
you
an
have
image.
put a slide.
Yes, is an image that I have saved under the virtual background option of Zoom.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that I selected. So I have, it is not being shared, but I'll take some screenshot and show it to you. So I can change any. You see the change in the background?
Oh, lovely.
I can have a library behind. I can have a drawing room. Even I can have these all. So these are nothing but images that I have stored. Right?
Thank you.
सारे राज खुल रहे हैं अभी. अच्छा, ये फंडा है.
Magician is revealing the trick.
All these background things I have learned from Kavya. She is an expert.
ठीक है, मिलते हैं फिर. हाँ, बाय.